Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mom and today we learn and solve questions 1 to 10 of exercise 3A of third chapter. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Please share and subscribe more and I will upload more videos according to your topics. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 3A questions 1 to 10 of chapter Playing with Numbers, and topics are simplification of expression, BODMAS rules, types of brackets, parentheses or circular brackets, curly brackets and square brackets, and order of brackets. Let's solve some questions. BODMAS rules. Bracket. First is B for brackets. First bracket operation perform. First parenthesis, that is the circular bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket perform. Then BO. O for off. Off means product operation perform. Then M. BOD. D for division. Then M for multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. Then AS. A for addition and S for subtraction. Addition and subtraction operation both have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. This, this is the BODMAS rules. Now we solve question number 1, and question number 1 is first simplify. First bit is 5 multiplied with 6 division of 2. 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. 30 division of 2 is 15. Multiplication operation perform first. Then second is 28 minus 18 divided by 9. In this expression, first division operation will perform, then subtraction. If division is first priority, then subtraction. So 28 minus 18 divided by 9 is 2. So 28 minus 2 is 26. Now we solve question number third bit. Third bit is 5 plus 13, that is inside the bracket, division of 3. First bracket operation will perform. It's for BODMAS rule, first bracket then division. So first bracket operation will perform. Here inside the bracket 5 plus 13. So addition, first we add these two numbers. 5 plus 13 is 18. Division of 3. Then division operation perform. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Then fourth bit 39 division of 3, that is inside the bracket, plus 7. 39 division of 3, first bracket operation perform, then inside the bracket division operation is there, so division operation will perform, then addition. So 39 division of 3 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify. First bit is 45 division of 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is inside the parenthesis, and 45 division of 7 plus 8, that is within the curly bracket, minus 3. H for BODMAS rule, first parenthesis, then curly bracket, then square bracket operation will perform, then division, multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So here first inside the parenthesis, that operation is performed. Inside the parenthesis 7 plus 8, so 7 plus 8 is 15. Then 45 division of 15, that is inside the curly bracket, so after parenthesis then curly bracket operation perform. Then 45, so 45 division of 15 is 3. 15 multiplied with 3 is 45. So 45 division of 15 is 3. Then 3 minus 3. Subtraction operation is performed. 3 minus 3 is 0. Second bit, 9 minus 7. 7 minus 8 division of 4. 7 minus 8 division of 4 is inside the parenthesis. First, inside the parenthesis, that is bracket, inside the bracket operation perform. Inside the parenthesis there are subtraction and division, and between addition, first division and multiplication of operation perform in an expression, then addition and subtraction. So first division operation perform. So 8 division of 4 is 2. Then subtraction operation perform, that is inside the bracket. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then subtraction operation perform. 9 minus 5 is 4. As per Borma's rule, first bracket, that is parenthesis, circular bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket, then division multiplication. Division multiplication have equal priority, so they are performed from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction have also equal priority, so they are performed from left to right. This is the Borma's rule. Now we solve question number 3, and question number 3 is simplified. 24 division of 87 minus 3, 5 of 5. 5 of 5 is inside the parenthesis, and whole 87 minus 3, 5 of 5, that is all inside the curly bracket. So first bracket is for Borma's rule. First bracket operation perform, that is a parenthesis, then curly bracket. So first parenthesis operation perform, that is 5 of 5. Inside the parenthesis 5 of 5 operation is there, so of operation first perform. Of means product, that is the multiplication. So 5 of 5 will be 5 multiplied with 5, that is 25. Then 87 minus 3 multiplied with 3 within parenthesis 25. Then 3 multiplied with 25 operation perform, multiplication operation. So 3 multiplication of 25 is 75. So then 87 minus 75, that is inside the curly bracket. Then subtraction operation perform, that is inside the curly bracket. So 87 minus 75 is 12. Then division operation perform. 24 division of 12 is 2. So value of this expression is 2. Now we solve question number 4, and question number 4 is simplified. 8 minus 4 multiplication of 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is inside the parenthesis, minus 16 division of 2. The whole is inside the curly bracket. So according to Borma's rule, first parenthesis, that is the circular bracket perform, then curly bracket. So inside the curly bracket there is an parenthesis. So parenthesis operation perform. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 4 multiplication of 2 minus 16 division of 2. As per Borma's rule, both multiplication and division have equal priority, but equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first multiplication operation, that is 4 multiplied with 2 operation performed, then division operation will be performed. So 4 multiplied with 2 is 8 minus 16 division of 2. Then inside the curly bracket subtraction and division operation are there. So according to Borma's rule, division have higher priority than subtraction. So first division operation is performed. 16 division of 2 is 8. So 8 minus 8, that is inside the curly bracket. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 24. Then 8 division of 0 is 8. 8 division 8 minus 0 is 8. So our value of this expression is 8. Value of this expression is 8 minus 0, that is 8. Value of this expression is 8. Now we solve question number 5, and question number 5 is simplified. 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is with bar, and inside the square bracket there is a vinculum bar, then parenthesis, curly bracket. So according to BODMAS rule, first vinculum or bar operation performed, then parenthesis, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So first vinculum or bar will be performed. That is 4 minus 3 with bar. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 5 minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is inside the parenthesis. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is inside the curly bracket. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that is inside the square bracket. And 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So value of this expression is 1. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.